How to create AI images that stand out. Beginner's Guide, 2026. Have you ever wondered why some AI images look absolutely stunning while look average? The difference isn't the AI tool, it's the prompt. In this video, how to create AI images that actually stand out. Hi, I'm Chika from Dachitech Hub. On this channel, I teach practical AI skills that help creators, freelancers, and business owners create better content and grow faster. Let's get started.
So, let's open our ChatGPT. Type. Most beginners make one mistake. Yes, they type something like create a woman in a shop. Let's just type it. Create a woman in a shop. Click enter. It will generate. You can see this is it. It looks beautiful. So but here now you can see the ultra realistic portrait of a confident Nigerian fashion designer. So this is actually a complete prompt. So what do? Generate. Let's wait for the subject here is the young Nigerian entrepreneur. Just studio lighting or outside. You want it simple or busy. So the quality of the video or the image, how do you want it? Is it 4K? When you are done inputting all this, you will notice that the difference is clear. Look at what we have here. So finally our image is out. Can you see the difference between this and this? This is just so generic. This person stays in a shop where there's fashion. She stays in a fashion shop, whereby the second one we tell it exactly what we want. We don't want a generic images. So here now is a complete fashion designer shop. You can see the tape on her neck. You can see the fabrics beside her. You can see on the table the fabrics that she already have. So we actually want to give us two responses for us to make a choice. So this is the response one. I think it's okay, very beautiful. The lady is standing elegantly. And the second one, wow, you can see the laptop on the table.
Whenever I write prompts, I don't just describe the person. I describe the environment, the lighting, the camera, the style, and the level of realism. If this video helped you create better AI images, subscribe to Dachitech Hub because I'll also be showing you how to create talking flyers, UGC ads, and promotional commercials using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.